Ever wondered how to make the perfect steak fries? It's a culinary quest that has left many of us pondering over the kitchen counter. Today we're going to demystify the process and reveal the secrets to achieving that golden, crispy exterior and the fluffy, tender interior that defines the perfect steak fry. Let's start with the essentials. The main ingredients you'll need are medium-sized russet potatoes, vegetable oil, and a touch of salt and pepper. Simple, right? But here's the catch. It's all about balance. The perfect steak fries aren't just about the ingredients. It's a delicate dance between texture and flavor. The outside needs to be crispy, providing that satisfying crunch with each bite. The inside, however, should be soft and fluffy, a cloud-like contrast to the robust exterior. Achieving this balance is the main challenge, but don't worry, we've got a foolproof method up our sleeve. Stay tuned to discover a foolproof method to create the perfect steak fries. The secret to perfect steak fries lies in the preparation process. It all starts with selecting the right potatoes. Once you've got your hands on some good quality, firm potatoes, the first step is to give them a thorough wash. This helps to remove any dirt or debris. After washing, peel off the skin to reveal the fresh, starchy flesh underneath. Next, it's time to cut the potatoes. Aim for thick slices, about ½ an inch thick. These chunky pieces will ultimately turn into our succulent steak fries. Once the potatoes are sliced, they need a good soak in cold water. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes. This process is crucial as it helps to remove excess starch, which can make your fries soggy instead of crispy. After soaking, drain the water and pat the potato slices dry with a clean towel. With the potatoes ready, it's time to preheat the oven. Crank it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. While the oven is warming up, lightly grease a baking sheet with vegetable oil. Arrange the potato slices on the baking sheet in a single layer, giving each slice some space to crisp up. Drizzle a generous amount of oil over the top and season with salt and pepper. Slide the baking sheet into the preheated oven and let the fries bake for about 20 minutes. Afterward, flip the fries and let them bake for another 10 to 15 minutes or until they're crispy and golden brown, and voila, your perfect steak fries are ready to be devoured. To recap, here are the key steps to remember. Start by soaking your potatoes in cold water. It's a crucial step to remove excess starch, ensuring a crispy exterior. After that, arrange your fries in a single layer on a baking sheet. This is important so that each fry gets cooked evenly, achieving a fluffy interior and a crispy exterior. Remember, cooking at a high temperature is key for that perfect crunch. Follow these steps, and you'll have perfect steak fries every time. Happy cooking!